How to allow pop-ups on your Chrome browser. Guys, sometimes what happen when you're trying to open any website or trying to log in or register on any website, they need to allow the pop-up, or maybe your pop-up not working on your Chrome browser. So how you can allow it? So in this video today we are going to talk about. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so guys, let me start with the video. Let me go on my Chrome browser first. Okay, so in order to uh, allow the pop-up, what you need to do, just click on this three dot option, and we need to go in settings, and now come to the privacy and security. Here just scroll down and go to the site settings. Under the site setting, just scroll down, and we need to find out pop-up and redirects. Just click on it, and you can allow the pop-ups for all website, or you can you can disable the pop-ups and or redirects for all website. Okay, if you want to allow, just click on this allow site. You can also customize, you can allow the you can add the site here, which you want to allow the pop-ups and not allow the pop-ups and redirects. Okay, here you can add the particular you can add the particular website to block the pop-up, and here you can allow the pop-ups for the particular website. You can add website from here. Okay, you can customize pop-up or redirects behaviors by this using by this option. Okay, so if you want to allow pop-ups for all websites, just click on this option and come back. Okay, so now you have allow the pop-up for all website. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.